live. We are live.
We should. I wonder if there's an online application or something we could use. I think there is one. I forget what it's called though. So like, if somebody online wanted to participate, so it'd sync it.
Yeah.
I don't see anything yet.
We should get software that lets us all participate on one program from all of our computers. So everyone can type in at once. Like something crazy.
I think that might be what this thing is. Let's see. I thought it might be this. Find out.
This isn't live. This is a little bit off.
Yeah.
It's called latency.
That's really, yeah. Well, they have to have latency. So if I'm showing something I shouldn't be showing on here, they can cut it off.
Google could.
Yeah.
Really?
That's why they do it. It's because of the Janet Jackson thing.
That's the thing is, but it sounds bad.
Yeah. Because one time they did it live for the Super Bowl. They did the whole thing and it wasn't good. Let's just say it was live and it wasn't good. Happened on live, and so since then they have a 15-second delay, so that way they can review it and make sure that they can cut it off on time.
I'm listening to a Janet Jackson thing you just said.
Yeah.
Then I'll probably listen to me because I'll say this. 15 seconds from now, I'm going to hear this. Haha.
I think code anywhere might be what we're looking for.
Code anywhere?
Yeah.
Preferably a website, a web application.
Yes, that's what it is. But I mean, you still have to sign up for
I
it.
just
So
said-
Yeah, but I
myself.
mean that'd be.
So wait, are we going to try to do platform mod programming or
what do you mean platform?
just that Canvas mod something?
Yeah.
Draw.
Do you want to make just a square move around?
I think we should just have people someone goes up there, makes a shape, and someone else goes up there and puts something on it.
So no,
That's cool.
So there's no goal, it's just what you
Whatever you want to do while you're up there.
whatever you feel like.
I like it. Let's do
So
that.
the person up there is in charge, and they can ask. So how do I draw a square? And other people can look it up while we can.
Sure. Yeah, that works.
Right.
Logging in instantly with GitHub. That's actually pretty convenient.
So for 313, what kind of website did you make? Your personal?
Me?
Yeah.
313? I was doing a kind of a report, a general report program. So basically you could drag and drop little items into the report and then send out an email.
I made a what I called fork, just like a recipe. It's like a GitHub for recipes, basically, is the idea. We could like take somebody else's recipe and like fork it and like, change things about it and then link back to them. So
Can you see me now, Alan?
you have to wait 15 seconds before I'll respond.
And then 246 is also open to whatever you want to do.
Yeah, 246 is fun. I took both those classes.
Yeah, I'm taking them both next semester. I'm probably gonna die.
Yeah, it was probably one of the more fun semesters
Well,
I've
I'm
ever
also
had.
No, I
taking,
can't
I
see
didn't
you
take
now.
just big math this semester. I'm also taking. next
Can't see me at
semester.
all?
I'm taking a lot of classes.
That's kind of bad.
I responded
Yeah,
to
I
the Can you
might
see me
end up
now?
dropping one.
15
The problem
seconds
is,
after
like,
you
Web 2,
Yeah.
assuming you're taking that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that class, it was too fun, so I wanted to spend all my time on it. So I ended up
Yeah.
wasting a lot of time on that just because we're wasting, doing extra credit stuff.
Taking my legs seat.
Can you sit anywhere else? Just kidding.
Yeah, no, I don't want to sit next to you, Sam.
All right, I see how it is.
Hey, Sam, did you order the pizzas for CodeSpace?
No, sir. I will.
Thank you.
Oh, but they're coming.
There might not be very many people.
4 pizzas for each of us.
4 pizzas for me. Yeah, we probably should.
Were you talking large pizzas or medium pizzas?
Large.
So what you
That's
do?
a lot of flipping pizza.
What you do?
How many
Right
people
now.
are we expecting?
Just
3.
I mean, really, like, I don't think we've ever pulled more. Nobody knows about it because we were gonna advertise it here. Who else was gonna tell?
It's all. I'm just. We're gonna have 2. But the thing is, last time we had 2, we had actually a ton of people, and it went away like really quickly.
Yeah.
So if we get 3 this time, if there aren't any, then it's their fault, and we get pizza to take home.
I like the bendy ripple thing.
Oh, this right here. Yeah.
Somehow I don't think this is
I
useful.
love listening to our
But this right here, these are all the Git commits. Actually, this isn't Git commits. This is all the Wikipedia changes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all the changes to Wikipedia.
That's kind of cool, actually.
If you want to see all the Git commits, and literally we found that out because Alan he pushed. It's all the Git pushes, all the pushes to GitHub. You can actually see that, and Alan just pushed to GitHub, and his name was on there for like a second. So.
Yeah, I saw my name on there.
That's cool.
It's probably the best part of your life.
It's part of your
Oh, changes to Wikipedia? Cool.
Yeah, it was on Wikipedia. Now it's on all the GitHub posts pushes.
Living fast.
So what did you make for your 246 time?
Surprisingly, it was another food-related one. I always went to my wife for ideas, and then she's like giving me ideas. But basically, it was supposed to be. Oh wait, no, sorry, I did multiple different projects. So wait, which one is that?
246. Apparently, you make Android app.
All right, yeah, okay. I think you do multiple projects in that class.
I have no idea.
I think you might.
No, you do one.
So
It's
what's the
change-
class? Because there's one class you do it for a sponsor, and then there's one class
That's
you do.
246 is the one that you do for a sponsor. 313 is the one that you can do for yourself. But there's 2 projects in that one. There's a
You have a project for a sponsor in 246.
So that class you don't really get to pick unless you like make up a sponsor basically.
but with that one you actually do Android development, which is awesome.
I know they were doing that.
These classes sound way more fun.
They're definitely one of the funnest classes.
Yeah, once you get past C++, man, it's good. Like it's really good. Like
I still like C++. It's just
I do
data
too.
structures
Yeah.
kind of.
it's kind of boring.
Yeah.
But like machine learning, for example, you get up to like the top level, like 400 level classes, you get machine learning, and it's like you're basically building AI.
I like how we're mentioning every single one of those classes.
Right? They're always the ones that are cool.
It's definitely I mean, if you like web or you're
I do. I took web engineering this semester, so I think I might as well just go with it.
C++ is boring. How could you say that?
Who said that?
How many other languages have you learned?
I'll answer you in 15 seconds.
It is kind of boring.
C++ isn't bad. It's just like
It takes longer to do stuff.
Are you literally getting the feed and then responding? That's hilarious.
yeah, it's not like it takes forever to do things. not a lot of great libraries. A lot
Oh,
of
it's
things
Totoro.
I want to do.
Yeah, I mean, it's boost.
There's Boost, but that's just a general library. But I'm talking about like, there's no like Rails for C++.
Oh, yeah,
or there's no,
good frameworks.
or I mean, there is a lot of game development frameworks. If you want to do that,
But it's not the goal.
no.
So this is Chill Step that you shared.
Oh yeah, we need music while we're programming.
The second, 5.5.
Well, if no one shows up at
It
2,
was a lot easier. It was a lot easier on the iPhone.
Yeah, I've gotten to
There's only one of them that was like weird that night.
It's crazy how many people don't fill in their avatars.
none of my professors are reading.
Yeah, how much work is the introduction to robotics class? Because I signed up for it. It was 1 day a week.
I shook up the like stuff. What does that mean?
Yeah.
everyone turned their heads and it actually was quiet.
As many that are complicated as you can make it properly. What my group
Hey
did,
man, that's good.
we
No, I can do that every time.
we activated the robot, we entered buttons on the button. Then that created a document
I like it.
with dominant, which hit the thing which had
I
a
will.
screen attached to it.
Did you know Agro.io has some implementation of Canvas?
Went down, landed on the prison,
What does?
was on Canvas.
Agro.io, like the little like
Only
eating, has some implementation of Canvas.
Adger, I don't even know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Went down this road, this thing fell over with another ball.
All I'm doing is take pictures.
Another ball went through the vacuum tube. And the vacuum tube went down. Then the robot pulled the string and
I'll see anything.
and the car went, the robot went forward and was pulling the car, which was, and it hit a couple dominoes, the dominoes hit another ball, and that ball rolled down the thing, went through the tunnel, hit the handbook, which was teetering on the table.
That's cool.
And the handbook had a hack on it.
You're supposed
Dude,
to
how many classes
It
did
hit
you
the
spend
handbook,
on?
Yeah.
handbook fell down, spun, and popped the
Did you do this all in one class?
then you get 2 classes, so that's classes.
Well, there you go.
Next time you can so fun.
Classes.
I have it on my phone.
So for those that just came in, all of this, all these random data points are actually GitHub pushes. All the pushes to GitHub, and so you can actually see what language they are, and then like how many lines of code. So if you want to see your name,
Like worldwide, or is it just in the US?
all of GitHub.
So everywhere. Yeah.
And so this is the Tron Canvas example that we have. Like when you watch Tron Legacy and they have the boardroom up and then the dog pops up and like starts to bark. This is what they use. Okay, time to start.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Welcome to ACM. Today we're going to talk about Canvas and on the implementations that you can do. This is really basic tutorial. We're going to just draw squares and circles and then start to see if we can actually get them to move. And then from there, we'll go on into, well, we'll look at what Canvas is, of course. Then we'll go into drawing circles and squares and putting our names into the actual HTML with it and drawing it with JavaScript. And then from there, we're going to do Code Rush. Is that what we plan on doing? Code Mong, where each of us will come up and get 2 minutes. Well, actually not 2 minutes. Is it 2 minutes?
Want to do 1 minute?
We do 1 minute. Each of us takes 1 minute to add code
Add code.
to the main project.
Oh, okay.
So we're just all gonna edit the same thing, so yeah, everybody has to switch up. code for a minute. Give it up. Whatever we create, whatever we create.
Yeah. So we have a minute to do that.
Try to make it compilable by the end of your code.
Yeah.
Man, it's so important.
JavaScript.
That shouldn't be
Pretty
the.
similar.
Yeah, it's not too difficult.
We'll see.
Yeah.
So
This is a good example. But before we start, 2 announcements. And this is to the online students as well. We've got CodeSpace going on at 5 o'clock. We'll see what we can do with that later on with online students. And then we have next week, we're going to be doing how to implement basically a development environment in Windows. So that way you don't have to use the Linux lab at all. You can just develop locally. So how to use the command prompt and have to get basically do your C++ development in Windows, how to get everything hooked up. And so that's for next week. I think Matthew Hinston's going to do it, and he's going to also show off some Visual Studio tutorials as well. So how to use that in there. And then CodeSpace, there's going to be pizza. Definitely going to be pizza at CodeSpace. So for those who are here, if you want to come in and work on your personal projects, we'll help you out. Other than that, we'd like to start off with a prayer. And as always, any volunteers? Yeah.
Dear kind Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day. We thank you for this time that we have been together as ACM. We ask you, Father, thy Spirit might be with us, that we might be able to learn more about our major and what tool it has to offer. And Father, we ask for these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. All righty. So the first thing we want to do is we want to, at least because we want to try these, we want to see what we're actually developing. And so the best place to do that is well, thanks to Gage, he actually showed me a website that you can easily add code to and then see the results. It's JSBin. Yeah, JSBin.com. Basically creates a little JavaScript environment for you. And as you code, you can actually see the results on the other side. It's really nice. So to begin with Canvas, we would first have to actually put the Canvas tag in. So if you want to follow along, you can go to JSBin, follow along with me, and I'm going to...
You should post it, like, because you can actually post the thing and it'll sync if you want. Like, go to share.
Go to share?
Well, that too, that works too. But like, if you go over to the actual JSBin,
Right here?
you see there's a share button, like it's kind of by a file.
Yep.
Then you just copy and paste the link, then people can see what you're coding. Okay, go back, sorry. Output only with library load. Near the bottom.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you have to recopy the link. Sorry.
It's all good. All right. All right, so that's on there. All right, so the first thing, like always, so what I'm going to be using, I'm also going to be using is there's 2 tutorials you can use. The easiest one that I found, and most people don't like the website, but it's W3 Schools. It has a really simple tutorial on it. I mean, the code works. So if you go to W3 Schools and you go in and you search Canvas, there it is. It'll actually give you simple tutorials on it. So we're gonna just follow along with basic Canvas. This is what I did before to prepare for this tutorial, and we're going to go ahead and code so that way you can actually see as we follow along. All right. So the first thing you're going to need is you're actually going to need a tag, Canvas tag, and so we're going to start out with that example right here. So we have the Canvas. We have Canvas ID, my Canvas, width equals 200. So basically what this Canvas tag does is it creates a canvas. for us to draw on in HTML. It makes us a little square where we can draw on. So if I say, for example, if I go in here and start making that canvas, let's see.
Yeah, the style should have it equals between the border and style.
Yeah.
And in quotes.
There you go. That's it. So it draws us basically our canvas. Okay. So with that, we can actually draw on there whatever we want. And the way we do that,
You just draw with your mouse?
huh?
You just draw with.
If only. We actually do it in JavaScript. So we use JavaScript variables to actually draw within the canvas. And so we can make whatever we want, even three-dimensional objects within that canvas. And so from here, we want to go straight to our JavaScript option and then create. So first thing we want to do is we want to actually get this, we want to actually post to that canvas. And so we do a document.getElementById. So that allows us to actually manipulate C. And so from there, we do CTX, which enables us basically, and get context, enables us to work in a two-dimensional. All right. There we go. CTX equals C.get context 2D. So that allows us to start actually manipulating that space within the canvas. And then CTX.fill. We're going to fill this with a color. And what kind of color? Give me a color.
Blue.
Blue? Okay. So that would be 0, 0, 0, 0. Is that right? Could be right.
But
Huh?
you can just try it. I mean, it won't actually fill the rectangle. It's not actually filling the rectangle.
Yeah.
That's just setting your like pen color for whatever you're gonna draw next.
Yeah. So CTX dot now we have a blue rectangle. It's so cute. So basically, yeah, this sets the color, like Gage said, and then it actually we actually create a rectangle and we fill that rectangle in, and these are the dimensions that we use. So these are the dimensions that we can actually draw this rectangle within the HTML. It's pretty sweet. But let's not stop there. Let's go and actually draw a circle.
You're bold.
I know, right? We jumped over the line. We literally skipped the line. And we went straight to the circle. So basically from here, we do a few extra things. So we do a CTX dot begin path, and so we're going to actually draw we're going to draw the circle. And to do that, we have to have an origin. But begin path helps us do. And then CTX dot arc. And we actually start drawing a circle. And then these are our points that we use to draw it. And obviously we can see in there 2 times math, 2 times pi. So that gets our 2 times gets our diameter. So you can always see, so over here, 2 times pi my, this is pi, and so basically make our diameter of our circle right there. And CPX lets us actually draw that circle. Now we draw a circle.
If we were to have set this with blue before, it would be blue, the circle, then how it was before.
Well,
Or is it all different?
that's for a fill. There's probably a way to do it
Try. You just copy and paste it.
from the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So a minute. All right.
I have to do it above though.
Oh yeah, that's right, isn't it? Not fill rectangle, it's something else. Wouldn't it?
I do just fill. It's not actually a circle.
Yeah.
It's like a more generic thing. It's like an arc.
Yeah. It's an arc of each one. That's what creates a circle. And we could do.
Yeah. Just do fill. Fill.
Just fills.
You have to do it after you make the arc. But that's
Oh.
what you fill. See how you have stroke down there? It's
Right below stroke.
try just doing
Mine's
it there.
below, so.
Yep.
There we go.
Yeah. Now we have a blue circle on the screen.
All sorts of possibilities.
And now we want to actually make our circle move. We want to. So this is as far as I've gotten to. I haven't actually gotten them to move from my perspective. But I mean, from here, you can actually, if you can make the circle move, you can make the circle do certain things. This is where agar.io, you can literally make the game with a bunch of circles eating each other. It's pretty cool. So let's see, you got gradient. We can actually do a gradient if we wanted to. We can actually put an image. We can draw an image in there. It's pretty sweet, and that's the basics. There's others. There's actually one project in here that you can actually build out a working clock, a visual clock, if you wanted to. Let's see, you actually made a block move around.
Yeah, I trained like a little, very simple platformer block thing.
Yeah, and there's different things that you can do. What was the? Oh, that's right. So one of the things that we were looking at So if, say, for example, we want to take this and actually make something out of it, video game, first-person shooter.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, found a first-person shooter.
I thought that one was. I don't use OpenGL, so it's different.
Has a little bit of Canvas into it.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
I'll take it forever.
Probably uses WebGL, but that still uses Canvas.
Yeah.
This one uses Canvas.
Doesn't WebGL run Canvas?
They're not the same thing.
No, they're not. I'm obviously not good with video games. Okay. Yeah, you can actually build 3D models within Canvas, and then from there you can build off of that. You can make them move. You can make little games with it if you wanted to. It's whatever you want to do within that JavaScript platform. Yeah. So that's something that you can definitely do with it. And then there's the Tron Legacy example. I mean, if you want to really build into something, the moving Earth was all done in Canvas. It's how you want to draw, how you want to manipulate the screen for it. All right, so that was pretty much my tutorial. There's not much more that I can do with it. So what kind of project do you guys want to build? Within 45 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yes.
I know for the top shooter.
You possibly could do that, actually. That's not too out of the question.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I like it.
All right.
So
Let's do it over
I
the
actually
top.
found a timer. Let's see if I can get the word.
Yeah, we need some timer and some.
I'm on YouTube, like minute timer.
All right. For the online students, we
Oh,
can.
dang
We'll be. So what's the platform we'll be using?
I think honestly, I tried getting it working and it doesn't seem to be that easy to use. So we're probably gonna have to use JSBin.
Okay.
And they probably won't be able to participate sadly, but we'll have to work out something else for next time.
Yeah, we'll try to work something else. For now, the broadcast will be stopped because there's nothing more.
They can. You might as well leave it on.
We can
They
leave it
can
on?
Watch if they want.
Okay.
No one's watching it right now. 0 viewers.
Yeah.
That's recorded,
You're
so
recording.
they can view it.
Yeah, it's gonna be recorded on YouTube.
So it's cool.
All right. So
We
I'm gonna,
could stop it and just play the final thing.
I could if you wanted me to.
Huh?
If you guys think that it would be to stop it and then play it when we actually finish it up at the end.
It's up to you. I don't care.
Um,
I figure if you leave it running, they can always skip to the end if they want to.
yeah, that's true. And I can always edit it. So I'll move this over to the school's computer. Start to do that development.
I'm trying to find the timer.
I found it.
Make sure it's one that like goes for a long period of time if you can. No, it's okay.
Well, I got Google's timer. I think that would work.
Yeah, I'll just reset it.
Mm-hmm. All right. So top-down shooter?
Yeah.
All righty. Who wants to start?
I could start, so I can give us
Okay.
a basic framework.
Oh boy, this is small. I want to do this.
I'm gonna do this. Just to give ourselves a little bit more space.
Does this JS pin support everything?
Pretty much. You can add libraries and stuff up here. Was there one you wanted or something?
No, just this time.
Okay, so basically I'm gonna start with some basic animation. I'm gonna do draw, something like that. Right. And
You're on time.
all right.
How long
Let's
is it?
see.
5 minutes.
Whoops. That's
5
not
minutes
a lot.
each?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That seems like a long time. I
Let's-
don't think everybody will get a
let's do
chance
like
if we do
1
that.
minute.
5 minutes.
People can go multiple times. Then it's more hectic as well.
All right, we'll do it for 2 minutes.
All right. So I think it's, I can't remember what it is. I'm gonna do quest animation frame.
All right, 2 minutes.
Right from that. Do draw. Oh yes, I did this wrong. Sorry guys. I'll just do this. And we'll do draw. See if that actually goes. I'm gonna do CIRCLE equals. So this is gonna be X. I'm gonna do 0, Y. 0. Sorry, it doesn't need to be. Do X1, do Y equals 0.5. That. Getting keyboard and stuff might be a little interesting, but we'll see what we can do. So, okay, so this is, how does this go again? Is this X and Y?
Yeah, I think that's X and Y. And then
CIRCLE dot X. This is kind of Y.
You need another variable in there.
Do I?
Oh, wait, never mind.
30 seconds.
What is going on? Let's see. You got 4 errors. That's fun. All right. Oh, I did it again. We'll do that.
And you have a semicolon on it.
Oh, yes, I do. And it doesn't work
10,
for some reason. Let's try changing this a little high.
9.
You can use JS pin.
All right, done. Sam,
My turn.
go Sam.
Oh boy. What are we doing again?
All right, so far he's drawn a circle.
Right.
He's we're
I
trying
don't.
to
I don't.
draw a
I don't
circle
see a circle though.
with
No.
with predefined dimensions, and so he's putting in the dimensions into the circle.
I
into the
might
arc.
look up arc to make sure that I put in.
Put something that's not circle that X and circle that Y.
Yeah, try
Just
just
a
putting some
constant?
numbers in
Okay.
place of the X and Y
All right.
right now. I'm surprised it's not.
34.
Figure out what those mean.
42. Does that work?
Is
All
there?
right.
Try just, yeah, doing a comma and just add another number in there somewhere.
Okay.
Oh, you do need
Yeah,
another
there-
variable.
What's the other-
That's right.
Here's what it looks like.
67.
I don't. Put the 67 before the 0.
Okay.
That's the radius.
Let me
1,
see
2,
what that is.
3, 4. That's 5 numbers.
Okay. What are the meaning of these numbers?
Your 0 is your radius now.
That's
You need
perfect.
radius to get into it.
I want a radius of 300.
Make 100 0 again.
Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing.
And then get rid of the comma at the end.
Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. No, it needs to be
Big
a,
circle.
it needs to be a smaller
A
circle.
little smaller.
30. There
Why
we
do we
go.
want-
Oh, you got a circle! Yay!
So I think the two far left ones are still, you can replace them with circle.x.
Those are
Yeah.
the boring
Yeah, that we
ones.
have to write.
Replace it with circle.x, the two left ones.
Two left ones. Okay.
So our ship is going to be triangle.
You just
Put a lot of effort
we're doing a
into
circle right now, but it's totally up to you.
Circle could be the enemy.
You want to rebuild your stick game?
So there you go.
The sun. It's amazing.
So you can actually just modify those like directly. It's kind of like a struct.
Yeah.
Basically what that is up there.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah.
try to just like adding the x velocity or the y velocity to the circle each step or something like that here, each draw.
Okay. Where is our? So this is the draw function right here. Oh, wait, no, this is the draw function up here.
That's the
No,
yeah,
that's
that's the
the
definition of it. That's-
Definition.
Okay. So.
I'd do it first thing personally.
So like, circle dot y equals
All right, Sam.
plus 1.
Let's take the next person.
Apparently it does not do
It's not moving.
lameness. You could try to run with JS actually. You might have to do that.
Where is run with JS?
Ooh. Check this game loop.
Set
Set
interval.
interval.
Where there?
Then you create an anonymous function inside and run your function
Inside of the draw function.
inside set
I
interval.
mean, this should work if it's, I don't know. You can console.log if you want to see.
No,
like,
don't do that inside draw. Do outside draw. And call the draw inside there.
Well, the draw actually is being called on every animation frame right here. That's what this does.
Oh, so we
So
don't.
it-
Yeah,
it's
that's
actually
what I
looping.
figured.
Right.
So it should be.
You can do the
Adding-
console.log to make sure that it's being called multiple times. I think it should be.
How often is it being called?
Well, let's find out.
Test.
Semicolon.
Right.
You need semicolon there.
And you just pop up in console. So
Yeah,
then
it's not getting called.
Try running
Run with JS.
Oh,
Yeah, see if that makes a difference.
Error.
there is not a function.
Lameness.
Try this thing.
That's funny.
Put it outside the draw and call draw inside the anonymous.
Try making
function.
window not capitalized. I think that's the problem.
Oh.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, it's
It's off the
It's
screen.
not clearing the screen though. Doesn't it need to clear the screen?
Yeah, you do need to do that.
oh, plus equal circle. Whoa. Okay, how do I clear the screen?
I don't really know, but I usually just make a rectangle to cover the
Yeah.
screen.
You
Draw
might
down.
want to make it an infinite loop too.
Well, it is an infinite.
Yeah, now it's not coming back on the screen. What's going
It
on?
just refreshes whenever he changes the code because
Oh, so if I do that, oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah, create a giant rectangle right before you
the first thing
update it.
it has to be inside the draw.
15
At
seconds.
the beginning of your draw.
Yeah, that works too. That works.
I
9
forget.
seconds.
CDX. Oh, wait, I don't remember how to do it.
2, 1. All right, Reed, you're up. You can do it.
That's okay. You don't have to do it. No one to. Next. You do have to do it.
Here's
What am I doing?
here's the code to draw a filled rectangle.
you want to do.
We want to clear the screen, so probably white rectangle.
So we're drawing a rectangle. I'm putting this in here then. Well, I don't need the. Do I need a separate variable inside this function? Local variable.
Probably not.
Remember it's global outside of this, but
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You can just see
The
the
CTX.
rect. We already have that at the top.
Yeah.
yeah, that's a global variable basically right now. This is fun. A little bit different. There's function. You can pass functions to functions and do some other stuff like that.
It's like functional programming, like C++.
Could be.
Why not?
Why not?
Then we have to call that inside draw. Right before it draws everything, it needs to.
That's why. That's just one type of function. I know.
It needs to clear the screen right before it draws.
Right here, you said?
You can't really judge it by that.
So I just call.
One thing, QLisp is very mutable. So it's actually not all that functional sometimes, depending on how you.
Ooh,
Okay,
and now we have a square.
we need that to cover the entire screen and probably make it white.
You probably want to put like the width of the canvas in a variable or something like that. Well, I guess it's over here, isn't it?
Yeah,
No, that's not
That's
fun.
with the canvas.
Sorry, guys. I'm just kind of doing it.
What am I doing?
200.
200?
Yeah, 200 and both.
Well, no, 0, 0, 200, right?
Isn't
Oh,
the width
those, oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, because of the X and
X
Y.
And 150.
It should be 0, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there we are.
And 200.
Yeah. Then how do we change the color? Do we have to do fill style before the fill?
Yeah. You
Okay.
can change
You
fill
can
style.
probably change
It's all
the style
F.
inside of DrawRect.
All F for white.
Then the circle will be white with the border.
If you do it inside the function.
Oh no,
All F.
Oh, well, yeah.
that's
No.
all black.
27 seconds.
37, I think.
There we go.
Yeah, that's actually not too bad. I like it.
Sweet.
I don't know if velocity was a great idea, but it was just a way of.
I don't know what else to do.
Actually, you could actually get keyboard controls. That'd be pretty cool.
Can you try looking it up?
10 seconds.
I have no idea what else to do.
All right, that's it. Next.
I don't know Java.
It's not Java.
It's JavaScript.
So
I don't
you have no
know.
excuse. It's like just pretend it's C++.
Yeah.
I don't know anything.
You can do keyboard controls using the on key down method.
Can you?
Yeah.
You want to do it? Come on up. Be brave. It's only all of us that'll be watching.
Yeah. That and all the online students too.
What do you want me to do?
Until the end of time.
All right. Go. So what we want to do now is we actually want to control it. So, Alan, what's the control? Or
You can hit the add library up there, see if there's a keyboard one, but I mean, I don't know.
Okay,
The
yeah,
person just using
jQuery.
jQuery.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
You could do that. Yeah, you could do that if you want.
And you can, there's
I don't know
key
what this
down
means.
methods on just there. to
Basically,
JavaScript.
We'll just call this function whenever
Do
you
I
press that.
add something here to?
well,
Is this just
so we don't have to use. We don't
You don't
have.
have to
You
use
could
jQuery,
probably,
but jQuery
yeah,
is
you
like-
just put document in there.
Okay.
Is
We
it-
could add
is
jQuery,
C-
but we
It's
just
just
want
where
to
it's
keep. We
attaching
just want to
it
keep
to.
Yeah, I
JavaScript.
think there's a on key
I don't know
down.
what the
On key down.
That's the jQuery function.
So should we? So we
So you make like
a
You just kind of have to
function.
trust
you make
the
a
magic when using
function,
jQuery.
and then-
When you describe a function, you just call function and then name, and it'll be good. So we can actually.
What do you do?
So we want to put it right in between function draw and function draw rectangle.
It doesn't really matter where it is, but it'll be a little nicer.
Yeah.
That's right. But we can read.
So we want to make this like up or down,
Yeah.
Both or just up? Or one or the other?
one or the other. And then in there, what was the command again? Not command, but
Well, it looks like the, yeah, just,
It's $sign.
no, that's jQuery. No, no, jQuery.
15 seconds.
He has functions that take a
ACM.
key down event, I guess, and it says if the key code is equal to this key code,
I will not join your cult.
sort of thing.
It's just like a
And he
programming
uses
club, basically.
See, I'm not sure if the key down event works exactly.
You're good.
Hey.
What's up, Jim?
Yeah.
Mm.
We want to do, yeah, so
Sounds good.
key down.
Making.
Well, you want to pass something in and then
Well,
change a function.
that's jQuery.
Yes,
Yeah.
but probably still need to pass. Well, I don't know.
All right. That's it. Sorry.
I guess Alan hasn't gotten it up.
Okay,
We
I'm
got a
going.
function.
I'm going to create our. Oh shoot.
Ah, my eyes, my ears.
Have to deal with it. This is fast.
Function draw player. I'm going to do triangle. CTX dot begin path, and I'll do x comma. Do I have to do var there or just x and y?
Yeah, it's good with X and Y.
You don't need
No.
to put bar in there.
Yeah.
Begin path. CTX dot move to x y. CTX dot line to x plus 5 n y plus 20 and CT. This might be too confusing. Stroke CT, then again CTX dot begin path, CTX dot move to x plus
Do you want it?
10 y plus 20, and then CTX dot line to
7,
x.
6.
Hey, be quiet. It's 10.
0.
Okay. 20. So close.
I can take my turn.
I don't know how to use Max. I just did something.
Use command basically.
Then and just delete this line. Come back. And CTX dot line to x y.
You're making like, what are you making?
He's making a triangle. He's trying to.
You've actually done that in like one stroke, but that's okay.
Oh really?
That's okay. Don't worry
I
about it.
didn't know that.
Just try throwing it in there. You have to put it in the draw method or else you won't see it though. It'll just clear it off.
I
And
could.
it also needs to do that.
Okay. See, anyone else? I go.
Yeah, go for it.
I'm horrible. That's horrible. So,
Oh yeah, it has to go in draw.
No, don't do that.
Draw
Don't
doesn't
do
call
that.
that.
okay.
The
That
draw
doesn't
player
work.
doesn't draw.
You need to put the draw player inside of draw.
Because otherwise it's just
And you also need to
once
keep
and
the logo.
just getting covered up.
So draw player's now inside of draw.
Good
So you need to actually have
to
arguments.
So give me numbers, Alan.
10, 10.
10, 10.
Whoa!
Interesting. That was an unexpected thing.
Does it think the x and y is circles x?
No, I think it just didn't close the stroke for some reason, so it like in the circle because it's
Well,
like one.
We're already at begin path right there.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you might have to put it outside of that.
That's cool.
Oh yeah.
It's a little triangle. Okay.
Try to get keyboard input.
So now we need to do
Probably
All right. Well, let's see what we can do.
You should just do jQuery. I think it'd be about the easiest thing. Add library.
Here's jQuery.
There you go.
Okay.
Like dogs.
Yeah.
Probably only one jQuery for one thing, but
Oh, I'm done. Okay, Gage, you're
I'll
up.
go for it.
Okay. Let's see how fast I can type. Probably not very fast. We're gonna do up. Let's see if it'll work. Then we need to do. We can do. Yeah. Like that. Not crazy, but that's okay. So I'm gonna do up this.
Are you sure that won't go forever recursively?
What do you mean?
If you're holding down the up, it would call. Oh, wait, no.
Oops, actually, sorry. I'm gonna do CR. I don't know. We're just gonna do that. Expected. What are we looking for?
What? No, dude, dot Y. It's coming up.
Yeah.
Huh? You want to do what?
Do minus,
Oh yeah, you're right.
Minus equals because.
So yeah, I'm gonna do CIR CLE dot X vil. Oh, sorry, Y. Is that vel? Is that what it was?
Val. Yeah, Val.
Okay. So
If you're doing it that way, you should just pass in a variable for which key you want.
forget it. No. Just kidding. You're right. There's probably a better way to do that. Yeah, let's just. I'll make a little wrapper. So I'm just gonna do key, and then basically you're gonna pass in key. Then we'll go over here, key like that. So I'll make it a little better. So let's do key, and then we'll use it like this, up like that.
We're done. Next.
Oh,
It moves.
Sam.
It's my turn?
Yep.
Now you can play with it. Oh wait. No, yeah, I guess it works.
so we need a
Get
key
rid of
for
the,
down and left and right.
The circle dot y equals circle y plus one.
Yeah, you should get rid of that one.
This one?
Probably both of those.
Yeah,
actually.
both of them.
Okay.
So now just try pushing up. It might probably just
I turned into a triangle.
That's what happens when you have multiple people programming on something. Okay. Okay. You could lower the velocity if you want to see it, and also maybe add some other key functions.
All right, where's the velocity?
See ya.
What are you doing? I'm surprised it jumps so high.
Well, it's probably
Why?
updating infinite times per second.
Yeah, you're probably right.
That's why we don't have the FPS.
Oh yeah. You
Okay.
know what? Actually, I know what's wrong. Sorry. Go down.
Whoa, it moves up. That's cool. Okay.
Actually, you probably want to
this
take the
mouse is
key
messed up.
outside of the draw function because it's actually creating that callback over and over and over again.
That's true.
Where's the draw function?
Go down, down.
Down at the bottom.
So yeah, just take the key outside of that thing, the key binding that we made.
Oh,
This will be that whole 3 lines.
okay.
You also need to get rid of that thing down there too.
This thing?
All right, next.
Nah, oh, I have
Now
to.
you have to put key
You
in.
might have to. You might have to add to the velocity, or else it may be harder to see because now there's not so many callbacks.
Oh,
Key's
right.
not being updated though.
Should be.
Wait, it should be every time. It should be constantly being called, just like draw.
Like whenever you push the key, it's like it pulls an event. Invented thing.
Are you controlling the circle at the time?
Circle.
Should be the controlling the triangle.
Yeah,
That would be
should be.
Easy though.
Maybe I'll change it to triangle on my turn.
People. And plus with the right.
Oh, right,
Yeah,
right, right.
there's a plus.
I broke it. Doesn't work now.
That's weird.
It was working when I
You need key down, right?
so when I don't.
It says key.
Yeah, but it said that when we had.
All of them, right?
Hold on. I'm just gonna call.
You didn't. Did you
All right,
find? You
next.
didn't find all of them, did you?
Did.
It doesn't find them all.
I just copy and paste.
Breathe. Anyone else?
There you go. I've gone twice.
What should I do? I'm confused now.
What I broke.
I think one thing, this might be a problem.
Yeah, I was changing.
You might want to change like this to K or something.
This?
Yeah, just to that to K. And then
K.
change the
Ha ha ha
hilarious.
ha ha.
So that'll get rid of that little error.
Do you want to paste what you had down here?
With it outside. But yeah.
It goes up.
I think like at least one more key finding.
Down.
Just like that.
And
We can do both of those.
neither are working now.
So weird. As K is not defined at key. Oh, maybe those are old errors though. Try hitting.
Is down the correct? Does up still work?
No, I tried.
But up below it doesn't work.
Up
No,
works.
it works.
And then put this back.
No, it doesn't work.
That's weird.
20 seconds.
What if that's my? What if it's calling both of them for some reason? That is so weird. It was calling them at the same time. That's why it was stationary.
Oh.
So this would work if this was right. So now,
Next.
hey, you can't do that. See, now it's going diagonal. It's taking any key you press and it's doing
Really?
both of them.
Sorry, maybe I messed it up. Define K. Pull back. Is that what it was? Key down, left, function. Looks right.
That's so weird.
I'm doing it. Try doing it this way with query. Just have one key down event with a switch statement.
You could do that. Yeah, just do that. Why not?
Go. Your turn.
Next. I've already gone twice.
I gone twice.
You want to go? JavaScript. Yeah, I mean, you basically manipulating a circle.
It'd be hard for him to figure out what's going on right now.
Yeah.
It's true. Sure.
And if
Just go
anyone
for it,
else
man.
wants to come up,
We'll just do it.
Go for it.
just jump
Oh,
in.
what did I just do? I've never used one of these mice.
You totally zoomed in. So double tap.
Double
Double
tap.
tap.
Double tap with 2 fingers.
Whoa.
Hi.
Or just pinch with your fingers.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
It's the mouse. There you go.
You have to have the magic touch.
I don't use those mouses or those mice.
Yeah, you can even just move it out to, I don't know what you want to do.
I was just gonna copy this.
Sounds good to me.
I think this is fun.
I do.
I mean, we're making basically a video game right now.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah.
It's half playable.
Yeah, exactly.
You can go. Yeah. Right.
I'm proud of my triangle, but the circle is covering.
That's
We're trying. Give you the fair chance.
maybe we'll. I'll be 2.0.
Hold on. Oh. Paste.
All right.
We're gonna find out. Do I have to call that?
No. It's actually been
Sweet. Do you need breaks for Switch?
Yeah.
In case in JavaScript.
Yeah, you do.
At least.
That should be up.
Yeah.
Oh, next.
Can I go or I've gone twice. How many has it gone?
Once. I can go again.
The next keys are just in the order.
Can you start the timer?
I can't. Yeah. I'm a lot. Well, that means we have two people who can go.
2 more people.
You
Yeah, I'll
can-
start it. Go.
All right.
39 is right.
If you just, yeah, don't
Oh.
worry about the formatting. It'll kind of fix it for you.
Okay.
It's 2 minutes, right?
Is it X or Y?
Yeah, X.
Okay. That's plus or equals. And it's X value.
Bell. Velocity.
Okay. In case.
You break it.
Break it.
Good.
Okay. Using semicolon. Where?
Line 60. That's where.
Where's this headlines?
Oh, no. Don't worry about it right
Just
now.
keep coding.
Just keep going.
Okay.
We'll look for it.
All right.
It's right there. It's like, now you have bigger issues.
Yeah. So case 40.
Yeah. And then Y plus.
If ACM exists every time, I would be happy.
I do like this.
My phone.
Great. Try it out. I do break.
Okay. So run with JS.
Yes, so I need to do that, but yes.
Da 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 da
Now I
da
have to change that to the triangle.
da.
Or no, two player.
2-player.
WASD triangle.
That'd be cool.
Da 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 da. What's time? What's up? I still have 53
5
minutes.
seconds.
5 seconds?
4, 3, 2,
Da.
1.
All right. Next. One last person.
This will be my third time.
Okay, I'll go.
Good.
All right. What should we do?
Well, we got to move. You want to move the triangle?
Shoot triangle if you hit space or something.
That'll be interesting. I think what I might,
Do it in 2 minutes.
Just something.
I think what I want to do is I want to do Let's see. We're gonna do kind of change this a little bit. Sorry, guys.
How could you?
Well, I don't know. Sorry. So we're gonna do this. And we're gonna, whoops, I did it
Single
too.
tap. Single tap.
Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna make this plus.
Oh, it left the screen.
I know it did. It's just gonna have to happen, okay? So then we're going to instead do this.
Kathy,
I know.
oh, you're getting acceleration.
So then I'm gonna add as speed 0, and so I do speed. Oh, I forgot. And we need to set these to 0, so that's gonna get a little too crazy. And we're gonna do 1. So it's really heavy.
That's
So-
no
Not
move.
fair.
5.
Like that.
It's still not really like what you'd call easy to control.
Now you need some friction.
Yeah, we do. Let's try doing that real quick. Friction.
All right.
5 arrows and 1. Actually, I'm going to do 0.9.
Yeah, it's not going.
No, I killing you.
Yes, I did. You're right. Not that I make that mistake at all, usually.
Draw.
H speed times equals.
I
Sorry.
didn't have any speed.
Sorry.
Didn't get speed.
Xfl. Sorry.
Yeah.
Dot
Yeah. It's
You did circle. You said circle.
CI. Can't spell. Okay, guys. All right. Let's try this. I like it that.
All right.
Bump up the speed a little bit.
Good job, guys.
That's what we can do
In Canvas with JavaScript
in 30
and
odd
30 minutes. Good job,
I have to
guys.
use the keyboard repeat event to really make it work well. But
Yeah.
I need more repeat.
Good job. Give yourself a hand.
You even has a little landscape.
Yeah.
full
That's a
triangle.
triangle. Sitting out there.
All right.
So
Well. Oh.
share that like in the channel or something.
Okay.
Yeah, copy code.
Copy the code to the channel. All right. So thanks for coming to ACM. Again, Code Space is at 5 today, and it's every Tuesdays and Thursdays around 5. This Code Space this time today we're gonna actually have pizza so that you can come here, eat pizza, and get help with your actual projects that you have. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Thanks for coming.
Should share that in Slack.